Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Surfshark error code 3. The error reads, "Couldn't update bypasser. Please try again or contact support." As per our research, the error appears when users try to add the bypasser feature in the Surfshark app. It seems like a common issue when attempting to change VPN bypass settings. According to our research, this error may come due to app glitches or update-related issues. First, restart your device along with the router. Then check if you need to update the Surfshark app. If there's an update, install it and check for the error again. If the error still comes, then uninstall and reinstall the Surfshark app. After reinstalling, launch the app and check if the error is resolved. If the issue is still there, then reach out to Surfshark support. To help them investigate, first collect Diagnostics. Simply open the Surfshark app, then go to Settings, then select Help, then click on Troubleshooting Tools. Now click on Collect Diagnostics. Make sure you are not connected to the VPN. Once done, contact the support team at support@surfshark.com or use the live chat option at support.surfshark.com. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.